Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WooCommerce Google Shopping app for Merchant Center. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install the WooCommerce Google Shopping app for Merchant Center, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. In the sidebar, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Google Shopping. Find the WooCommerce Google Shopping app in the results. Click on the Install Now button next to the app. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Next, locate WooCommerce in the sidebar and hover over it. Click on Settings to access your WooCommerce settings. Within the settings, find the Integration tab at the top. Look for the Google Shopping option and click on it. You will need to link your Google Merchant Center account. If you don't have an account, visit the Google Merchant Center website to create one. Once you have your Merchant Center account ready, return to your WooCommerce settings. Enter your Merchant Center ID in the designated field. Provide your store's URL and configure your product feed settings as needed. Review your settings and make sure everything is correctly filled out. Save the changes to finalize your settings. Now, go to the Products section in your WooCommerce dashboard. Select the products you want to include in your Google Shopping feed. Make sure all products meet the requirements set by Google Merchant Center. If needed, update any product information before generating the feed. Return to the WooCommerce Google Shopping settings. Click on the option to generate the product feed. Once the feed is generated, copy the feed URL provided. Navigate back to your Google Merchant Center account. In Merchant Center, go to the Products section. Click on Feeds to add a new feed. Select the appropriate targeting country and language settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.